We all watched it. We all saw it. We all saw it. But y'all feel like Cassidy energy is up. Extremely up. Goods. His energy could be up. It's a possibility. We don't know. Because Cass ain't giving him a chance because his energy is on fucking, you know what I mean? His shit is somewhere, you know what I mean? And Goods is right here. But, I think it's going to be a good battle. Seem like I don't. Damn, let me pause that. Hold on. So, I mean, we could talk about the face-off all day. We know what that was about. It's you know, URL is promoting Cass as the villain. That's a battle rap against the villain. Who's saying, you know what I mean, he is the coach. Basically, because he's so outspoken about his jacket, which he should be. If he really had 500 of them shits, and he really, well, like, we know Cash for being ready to chop niggas' heads off. And his face off, he would, he at the end of it, you hear him ready to chop a nigga, you like, yo, what's good? And they just walked off. But what else he supposed to do? Good promotion. Good promotion. This is what Jay Black and them niggas was always talking about. You just seeing a professional, somebody that they call an industry, who's actually an independent, who keeps pushing his brand incessantly. He got it lit. I had goods at the beginning of this shit. I had goods, and it just trickled down to I got cash. Shit might be a body. Energy counts. Y'all could talk this new age, new era shit. These is both, you know what I mean, dated flows. But if I'm banking on somebody to be able to up their flow, take it somewhere totally else, Cass. And I don't want to say his flow's dated because I don't listen to his current music like that, because it might not be. What I want to say is, great fucking promotion. Great fucking promotion. It's gonna be hard for Goods to be Cass though. It's gonna be extremely hard. You know what I mean? But it's gonna be hard to body Goods. You're not bodying. I don't see if Cass body Goods. Oh my God, y'all niggas is gonna be so fucking tight. Yo, why y'all put Mickey Facts on that shit? You wanna hear that fucking fuck out of here. Mickey got one of them faces you just wanna fucking punch a hole in that shit. Like, just see Mickey talking and it's like,